Michael, I can't believe this day is really here.
It's an honor to finally get to stand up here and congratulate Bri and Mike on their marriage.
The night you finally asked me to marry you was the happiest night of my life.
Michael, watching you propose to our best friend was one of the best moments of our lives, and we're so happy we could share it with you both.
I'm Mara.
And I'm Angelica. We're Bri's maid of honor and best friends.
As you know, I'm Jeff, Mike's younger brother.
I met Bri for the first time at college orientation.
I became friends with Bri in middle school. We've been friends ever since.
Like most brothers, our relationship involved countless fat lips, bruises, even the occasional knot on the forehead. No matter what though, none of that ever stopped me from looking up to you as an older brother.
Bri has been there through it all with me and continues to be there for me day in and out.
She is the sister that I always wanted, the godmother to my baby girl, and like a second mom to my son.
I'm so excited to become your wife today. Even saying the words gives me butterflies.
I love you and I can't wait to watch you walk down the aisle. Love, Michael.
Dearly beloved and honored guests, we are gathered here today to witness as Brianna Williams and Michael Matrazzo join in the union of marriage.
Bless their marriage, O God, as they begin their journey down the road of life together. We don't know what lies ahead, for the road turns and bends, but help them to make the best of whatever comes their way.
Brianna, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love.
I ask that you wear it as a sign to the world that you are my husband.
With this ring, I do wed.
These are the hands of your best friend, young and strong and full of love for you, holding yours on your wedding day as you promise to love each other today, tomorrow, and forever. Mr. and Mrs. Michael and Brianna Matrazzo. Represent a perfect pairing.
We make the best team.
We have watched you two grow into an amazing couple and are so proud of what you've built together already.
And while both are tremendous individuals, together they are even better.
Bri, we're very blessed and lucky to have you as a new member of the family.
Got a real good feeling.
We know you'll have a beautiful future together, and we can't wait to continue watching you build it.
As you embark on your journey together, don't forget everyone in this room is here tonight, but also for the rest of your life.
Right now, right now.
raise a glass to Bri and Michael. We love you guys.
Welcome to the family.
Congratulations, Bri and Michael. Let's dance. Let's have some fun.
Oh, I got a real good feeling. Got a real good feeling. Like there is lightning deep in my bones. Yeah, I got a real good feeling. I won't hit no ceiling. I'm going higher than I've ever known. Yeah, I got a real good feeling. Got a real good feeling. Like there is lightning deep in my bones. Yeah, I got a real good feeling. I won't hit no ceiling. I'm going higher than I've ever known. Oh, I got a real good feeling. Got a real good feeling. Like there is lightning deep in my bones. Yeah, I got a real good feeling. I won't hit no ceiling. I'm going higher than I've ever known. Yeah, I got a real good feeling.
Can't wait for all the excitement and challenges that await us in the future.
I love you with every part of my being, and I'm so excited to continue this wonderful life with you.
I got a real good feeling.